Another rule of indices is known as the quotient rule, as shown here. Now, quotient rule simply means that when you divide two expressions of the same base, you subtract the powers. If you have a raised to m over a raised to n, you simply subtract the powers. All right. Like for example, if you have 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 3, this is simply the same as 2 raised to 5 subtract 3, which is 2 raised to 2. Now, how does this come about? 2 raised to 5, we know that equals to 2 multiplied by itself 5 times, while 2 raised to 3 is 2 by 2 3 times. By cancelling out twos, cancelling out the twos in the numerator and the denominator, you find that we shall have 2 by 2 over 1, and this is the same as 2 multiplied by itself twice, which is 2 raised to 2, and you can see the result is the same. So this is how you go about the quotient rule of when it comes to the rules of indices. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I share the next content, you'll be able to catch it right away.